Hey, what's going on, guys? So today I'm going to show you how to open and clean your PS5 safely. So removing your faceplates and putting it back together. So first of all, spoiler alert, it can get pretty dusty in there. I've had mine since Christmas 2020 and you can see here how dusty it really gets. So I'm going to teach you how to clean this. Grab yourself a few items. So a microfiber cleaning cloth and a toothbrush. If you do have, you can use some compressed air, and if you have one of those small keyboard vacuums, you can use those. Alright, so let's get into it. So remove your faceplates safely. What you want to do here is note the PS logo, so the angle where it widens from the PS5 face. You want to be lifting that side and sliding to the left. It's pretty much that simple. So watching it here, lifting from the right hand side and sliding it left, it will pop right off. Also note the spikes, dust does get on them as well, so we'll clean that up later. Now for the other side, so in a similar fashion, from the wide angle on the corner, you want to lift that and slide to the left and it pops off right easily. First of all, I'm going to show you what my PS5 is looking like. So I've had mine almost since launch. As you can see from the grills here and the fan, is created so much dust over time. This is the bottom side, which is the CD side. I'm going to show you the top side, which doesn't look too bad actually. Alright, so by this point I've already cleaned out the fans. I've already used a toothbrush to clean the side grills. I'm now just cleaning the insides of the PS5 faceplates. Just going to give it a quick wipe. And once we're good to go, we're just going to put it back together. So step 3, putting the faceplates back on, is a pretty easy process. What you just want to look out for is the spikes on the inside of the faceplates. So what you're doing in a nutshell is aligning the spikes and pushing it inwards into the PS5 until you hear that satisfying click sound. So here I am, lining it up and just click. Once we're done, turn it around and same process. So what I use for reference on this side is looking at the PS logo, how it aligns nicely to the bottom corner or rather top corner, and in it goes, and just slide to the top. And that's it, guys. Pretty simple, pretty easy. Alright, thank you for watching and subscribe for more.